Hi, I'm Joe Andrasco with Voxel Dental. As you may have heard, we have recently brought on a full suite of milling solutions and products, and I'm going to take you through them today. At Voxel Dental, we are constantly evaluating and testing every workflow and every product that we offer. To that end, we are excited to announce that we partnered with Roland and VHF for our milling solutions, and we're also carrying consumables from Vita and Adite, among others to come. In-office milling really allows the doctor an unprecedented level of control over the end product. From the beginning scan to the design phase, all the way through to the finishing, it's going to be exactly how you communicate it to the patient. These days, the options that are available for milling machines and consumables are much less expensive than they've been in the past. So now is a great time to look at the options that are available to find a workflow and price point that is best for any individual practice. Well, at Voxel Dental, we have a high-tech, high-touch philosophy. And that means we specialize in the areas where different workflows meet. So with a milling process, you have a scan that turns into a design, that turns into a mill, that turns into a finished product. And at each step in this process, you're going to have questions. So our training is available. We have unlimited training and support for the entire process, so that we can help you implement this into your practice in the best way possible. Well, that really depends on what you want to do in your office. There's wet mills and there's dry mills, and that really depends on what material you want to be milling. Importantly, you want to look at the build quality of the machine. The machines need to be built very sturdy. Milling machines are used day in and day out, and there's parts that wear, so maintenance is always a very important question. And then, of course, you want to look at what training and support is available for the process. As I mentioned, it's an entire workflow, everything from scanning to design to finishing. So you need to make sure that you're prepared to do every part of that process, and you have a partner that's going to help you through it. Well, for dry milling, we have the Roland DWX52 Plus and the VHF E5. Both of these are excellent machines, built very sturdy, easy to maintain, easy to integrate into the office environment. So if you're looking for milling zirconia pucks and you're doing full arch restorations or larger cases, this would be an excellent option. For wet milling, we have the Roland DWX42W and the VHF E4. Again, both of these mills are built very well. They are very sturdy and easy to maintain. So for milling blocks for individual restorations or bridges, this would be a great option. At Voxel Dental, we're passionate about bringing new digital technology to the dental office. We're very excited to bring this new milling product line to our customers. For more information, go to voxeldental.com.